Sometimes when I see my friends playing or talking, I notice I am not part of it. And that feeling can be really tough. My chest might feel tight, my stomach might twist, or I might just feel sad inside. But remember, everyone feels left out sometimes. When I feel left out, I might start to think things like, they don't like me, or I don't belong. But most of the time, that's not true. Sometimes my friends just don't notice I want to join, or they're busy. It doesn't always mean they don't want me there. When I feel left out, I can take a deep breath and remember I have choices. I can walk over and say, hey, can I play too? Or can I join you? Asking in a kind way helps people know I want to be included. If they say yes, awesome, I can jump in and have fun. If they say no, or the game is full, that can feel disappointing. But it's okay. I can try joining another group or start my own activity. There are always other ways to have fun and connect. It also helps to think about how others might feel. If I notice someone else sitting alone, that small act of kindness makes a big difference for them and for me. Including others helps everyone feel welcome and build stronger friendships. Sometimes I can also talk to a grown-up I trust, like a teacher or parent. They can help me understand what happened and how to handle those feelings next time. Feeling left out doesn't mean I'm not liked or that I don't belong. It's just a moment, and moments can change. By speaking up, being kind, and including others, I help create a world where everyone feels valued and accepted. Because everyone deserves to feel like they belong.